Across centuries, humanity chased certainty through prophecies from seers, scholars, and even cartoon creators shaping futures we remember. This video traces origins from Nostradamus's quatrains to Delphi legends and modern media, showing how contexts sculpt meaning. It weighs predictions that materialized economic shifts, disasters, political upheavals, against those that linger as intriguing what-ifs today. Treading carefully, the narrative contrasts natural coincidences with deliberate interpretations, revealing bias, culture, and timing behind each claim. From pop science to ancient tablets, the tale invites viewers to judge truth, wonder, and responsibility in prophecy's evolving glare.